Hi guys, it's Ray. I know I haven't seen you in a bit here, but we were on vacation. We just got back yesterday. So while I was gone, I got a couple packages delivered. One of which is from another YouTuber. If you guys remember, I sent Marva, MarvelousArtzy. I'll put her information up here. I sent her a box a while back, and she had made me something and then sent me a box. So that got delivered while I was gone, and we're going to open it up together. I do know one thing that's in here, so I'm excited for this. Her YouTube channel is growing rapidly at this point, which is fabulous for her. She gets really creative with epoxy creations. She does some tumblers, but she's not primarily a tumbler maker, but she does enjoy making them now and again. So let's just get into this and see what we got. So, hope everybody is doing well. Sorry, I was sick before vacation and didn't have time to finish anything up. So, I do have a couple tumblers to finish, hopefully today, that I can get up sometime this week, but I am definitely a little bit behind. So, I'm going to do my best. It's also like 90 degrees today and just plain too hot. Isn't this cute? Crinkle paper. She drew me a little card with a picture of turtle on it. I am not going to read this out loud because I don't know what it says, and not everybody likes having their writing read aloud. So, let's carefully go through this, try not to get the crink everywhere. So I see right on the top, the main thing. Oops. I'm going to make a mess. There's no way around it. It's fine. This was the turtle she made me. She got this really cool mold, and I was thinking about ordering the mold myself, but she did a fabulous job on this. I don't even have my room light on, but that's okay. Isn't this absolutely adorable with the succulents on top? She had made one for herself, and when she asked me what colors I wanted, I was like, basically exactly what you did for yourself. So he is super cute. He is going to go live in our little rock garden at camp for now, because I think he'll be cute as a button right there. So that is that. Oh goodness, this is so freaking cute. Yeah. Let me dig through this box real quick and see if I can get everything out, because we're gonna explore these, and I just want to make sure I don't miss anything in the crinkle, because this is an entire box of turtles. They're so cute. Okay. I think I dug them all out. I'm just double checking quick. Alright. So I don't know where to start. I have a whole herd of turtles. So we went over this one. This is a different turtle mold. And this one is just done in grays, and it is super cute. One of these is definitely going to stay home in my craft room. So there's that one. And then we have this little guy. Same mold, different color. Absolutely adorable. This mold is a matte finish. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not a shiny epoxy. And then this mold I've seen her use. I cannot remember where she's getting these from, but there are these molds that are handmade, that have faceted crystal designs. They're very cool. She's done a couple of them. If I can find one of the videos for these, I will link it down below. Otherwise, I will just link to her channel and you can go explore. But these are absolutely fantastic molds. I wish I could remember the name of the company. Marva. If you have a link for them, go ahead and put it in the description below because I'm sure you'll see this. That way you can get credit if anybody wants any of these. I do believe she's mentioned that they are, since they're all handmade, they make them to order, so shipping might be a little bit slower because you're not, excuse me, you're not ordering from Amazon or a big corporation when you're ordering these. But how stinking cute is this keychain? So there is that. And the last one, this is so cute. You guys have seen me do a large version of this mold. I didn't even realize that this one was smaller. But check this out. I don't even have one of my own ones of these up on the wall. I don't know why. But look at this little beachy turtle she made me. How cute is this? Little seashells embedded and starfish. So cute. And it has my, you know, business name on it. So absolutely love this. This is definitely going to go somewhere in my turtle background. Hang on, let me see if I can find one of my bigger ones, even though that side of my room was a disaster. I either don't have one here or it's buried in the closet, but it is, and I can't reach the mold. I could see it, but I can't actually reach it. So, but it is quite a bit larger than this one. You guys have seen me pour that. I don't remember. I'm behind on video, especially with vacation and everything else. I don't remember seeing her pour this one, but she probably did pour this one on YouTube. So I will go back and look for that as well. But yeah, that is my package from Marva. Super cool. I'm super excited about this one. You'll start seeing this probably under my sign over here in the corner somewhere. Is probably where this will go. And then if I do turn up one of my own, I'll probably put it with this one, just because they look really good together. So thank you so much, Marva. I appreciate it so much. I will definitely be bringing this guy back to the lake this weekend, and one of these two as well. I think they'd be, like I said, really cute in our rock garden. We just have a little rock garden around where our water connection is. So, and I've been looking for like a turtle statue and I haven't seen one I liked, so this will be perfect. But yeah, thank you. Very, very cool. I am so excited to have some of your work, and this is absolutely gorgeous, and this is stunning, and the other ones are just a bonus. And I've been really curious how these look in reality, and they are every bit as gorgeous as one would expect when you see you unmold them. Absolutely stunning. Again, if you have links for any of this stuff and you want to drop them in the description down below, go for it. I don't gatekeep. I don't keep others out. So you know that. Knock yourself out sharing links, because I don't have any of their stuff. This, I'm assuming, was probably a Temu mold, maybe, because it's definitely smaller than the one I got on Amazon, but I'm probably gonna have to find this one. So if you have a link for that, you can go ahead and put that down below. This one as well. These guys, knock yourself out. But thank you so much. This was an awesome package to come home to. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. And if you haven't checked out MarvelousArtzy, go check out her channel. So that's it. Thank you. I will see you soon.